Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone, and this is Bob's equipment from Texas, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Bob has a note with this unit, and he's going to be using this payphone in Wisconsin. So I think he's got a cabin that he's going to install this unit into. Bob has the keys to this unit. He has one single key that fits the lock for the front cover and the vault door, and he also has his T key. Now we will be doing a complete conversion for this payphone, and the main PC board that's programmable will need to be removed. It is of no use to us, and it cannot be used in the conversion. Bob wants to hardwire this payphone when he installs this unit, so we want to give him connection points to go ahead and be able to hardwire this payphone. We're also going to install a modular port so that Bob, if he ever chooses, can plug a line cord, any color, any length that he chooses, plug it right into the modular line port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. So Bob will have two ways to make his connections to this payphone. This unit has a bell, and we want to go through the bell and bell circuit, and everything will need to be redesigned because we are removing the main PC board, so we'll take care of any of those issues. We also need to build up our tone generator circuits and a network and rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. So there will be quite a bit of converting and redesigning on this unit. We also want to troubleshoot the handset, the receive and transmit, and the security cable. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool single slot payphone that's in very good condition, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to go ahead and run some change through the coin validator and into the cash box area. So we'll go ahead and start out with a quarter. That landed in the cash box. We'll do a dime, a nickel, another quarter, another dime, a nickel, one more quarter, one last dime, and one last nickel. Now what we want to do is go ahead and check our cash box for the change that we ran through the payphone. Bob's getting rich with bubblegum money. We can set that to the side and we'll move along to some other issues that we need to take care of. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now and we're finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to run through a little bit about what went on during the conversion and repair. We wanted to go ahead and try to utilize the amplified volume control for the handset, and we were able to incorporate that amplified circuit into our new design of the conversion. So that issue was resolved, and we do have our amplified receiver volume that was original to this payphone. We also want to mention that we have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And so if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and show our amplified receiver volume. So we'll go ahead and give you the dial tone. That's the first level, second level, third level, and then back to normal. If you watch the analyzer, we're going to run through our numbers. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. Our amplification volume levels are working. We want to go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Now we also want to mention that the original keypad that came in with this unit was bad, and we replaced that keypad with a newer modern style keypad that's electronic. We can go ahead and give you some dial tone and we'll make that call. We'll put it on the second level.
after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, February 23rd. The current time, 11:22 a.m. and the temperature, 14 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Bob and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.